thing? It wasn't that massively
Not
hot, was
here.
it?
Not around here, no.
My pipe's out, Garrett. I've got to go and fill it up.
Do you want me to bring it back over? Trinity!
No, it's all good.
It's alright, love you.
I need the lights on, Garrett. Let's put the lights on. Refill, come back out. Come on.
Don't put the lights on, David.
Garrett, come on.
If you put the lights on, then it's going to wreck my videos.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
Trust me, it won't. See? Didn't wreck the video.
Yes, did. My iPhone said too much light in this shot. Are you?
I've changed music too.
Dingle Bay.
Max Barron, 7Cs. I'll order it. I'll ring up and order it to you tomorrow. Or two. That was the one we really liked, and we ummed and ahed whether it was better than...
The 7Cs?
Yeah, ummed and ahed whether it was better than Wild Atlantic. I've still got a tin in there that I'm keeping.
It was close to it, it was. It was a good one.
I think I commented that I perhaps might have even just liked it a little bit better.
It had been a while since they had Wild Atlantic, though.
Yeah, I know, and this is good, but this could be, you know, brewed under license.
Yeah, I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced of the same, David.
I'm not convinced this is the original ones in the blue
No.
bag that we used to get.
Yeah.
And I've got one blue bag in there.
Me either.
You know when that divorce comes through, I'm going back to peanut butter sandwiches. It's going to be terrible. How am I going to cope?